Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. At Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
MLA jeng TMC na nong thamai constituency ba Charles Pingro ulong ba umla ban kin tho AA yi ke jinai penyaso jong kinong yalam ba kinong bo jong u chegeseng congress ha kini kindia sngi ha ke jing kran ba kala pathai ku bor ha kalai tri kuno pra arajar phosau ba Charles Pingro ulong ru ba ka Jhad chegeseng congress kan Ngam satya Hynrei minta garan kam yu Kapten Batbit banya.
They all left me. What can I do? I couldn't stop them. I said that from the very beginning. Right from the year 2022, I said the Congress must get its act together. So someone asked me then, when I left the party, they said, is the Congress a sinking ship? I said, this ship will never sink. It just needs a good captain who can rudder the ship.
So are you saying that, the captain of the ship, that is the president, is not fit to lead the house, the party?
I am no one to judge that, to begin with. But a procedure has to be followed. I have been in the party for the last 30 years. I was. In fact, I'm out of the party for only just a year and a half. Till now. A procedure is where the Constitution of the Indian National Congress is very clear. That every block, which means every constituency, we call them blocks in the Congress Constitution, has to have a president and a team who are elected by the members who are registered with the Congress from that block. That means 60. So a procedure has to be followed. Once the procedure is followed, if person A is elected president of the state, then well and good. So you have to judge the person from that angle. But at the moment, after it's been a very long time, the Congress hasn't adopted the process of election by where a president has been elected. So that has to be done. I know I've run for the Congress because I was an elected treasurer of the Congress, not nominated. But I think at my time, I think what Mr. Olnautu was the elected president. So once that system is followed, then everything falls in place. See, the Congress is a party. It's a grand old party. But we just can't live on its laurels alone. You have to move with the times. But number one is follow the rules. Once rules are followed, nobody will complain.
Sir, do you have a condition that Mr. Vincent Pala should be out of the party before you join in the party?
I have no such conditions. I think I'd rather have him inside than outside.
So you're ready to work with him?
I'm ready to work with anybody. Who am I? I'm just a member. If I go in, I'll only go in as a member. No, nothing else. But a registered member.
Yes. So also there have been talks.
But please don't write he's joined. Okay.
Absolutely.
No, I have not been contacted officially by anybody, whether it's Congress or the NPP or the BBP. No one has contacted me officially, or the BJP. At the moment, I have not given that a thought, because I'm still the president of the TMC. With him, I'm in touch with him since he became president. I never lost touch. We are still very good friends. I mean, I'm being senior to him in age and all that, but he's a good friend. Former member of parliament, late Republic India, very senior man, very loved and respected and held many positions in the political arena. He said in 2008, Charles is a one-man army. Well, wherever I need to interact with them, they're always there. So how can I say there's lack of coordination? Whenever I want to go to Calcutta, I need to talk to them regarding matters. The doors are always open for me.